Welcome to a wet and windy, but actually quite warm Monday. Me and Cam are back here at the estate wall, which collapsed. Me and Pat were here last Thursday. We managed to get a really big chunk of wall up, so hopefully today we can do the same. We're only here tomorrow, so we've got a few extras to do as well. So really we need to be just a few courses off the sort of wall height today, which I think is doable. If he wants to get going, I'll be all right. But I did consume some of that nasty stuff called alcohol at the weekend, and I am suffering. I can't do it. I don't know if you can hear in my voice. Lost my voice, everything. Yes, but I've got to man up and crack on with today. I'll be all right, even though I feel like I just want to cry and get back into bed. But no, this wall is getting built, and we can do it. Once I get going, it'll be all right. But anyway, without further ado, let's crack on with today. Let's get some blood flowing, and I need some water though. I need some water because I'm just so thirsty. But yes, anyway, let's crack on with today, and let's get this baby up. Lovely jubbly, righty, we are getting there. We're about 3 courses off this end. It's about 2 courses this side. So what I'm going to do now is jump the other side and obviously get it up to height, or the same height as this side is. And then what we do once that's up, we'll jump this side and just put a string line on that end to that end, and then just flatten it off basically. I believe the top is just going to be like this one, just a flat mortared top. If I can find some lovely flat stone, I will, but we are down to the rougher, smaller stuff at the minute. Got a few chunky ones, but they're literally like boulders. But like I say, it's only a rough wall. It's just getting it up. It's just a couple-day job just to get it done. And yeah, but no, it's all going good really. Hopefully this weather doesn't turn. It is so windy, as you can probably hear. But it does feel like it's going to rain. We've had a couple showers, but nothing too bad. So, but yes, anyway, yeah, like I say, just going to jump the other side, get it up, and yeah, see how far we can get really. Let's go slurp some coffee and let's crack on with this afternoon. Oh, that wind is picking up. Righty. Look at, oh, you need a bit of love, didn't you? God, there's gaps, there's holes. Oh, this whole wall just needs a total rebuild. But anyway, for the moment, that is how we're going to finish this wall. Well, the section we're building is just a mortared top. I've asked if I can go have a look around their stone store to go see if there's any sort of basically coping stones, you know what I mean? Just a lovely, either a big flat stone or even some like old slabs or something knocking about. But if not, that's how they want it finished. No! You can see it. Oh, why would you do it? You can see this ivy here has been killed off and it's slowly dying, but as soon as that actually fully dies, goes off, hey, when that actually is fully dead, that is just going to move and that is just going to be another collapse. So we'll probably see you very soon, little section, because this is well established. If you've got any stone walls, just don't let ivy grow on them. Don't do it. And just like that, Monday done, and I am so glad it is done. I'm not drinking again. I know I've said that so many times, probably not on here, but anyone that knows me, I'll probably say it every time I do have a drink, but I'm not drinking again. I'm getting older now. I'm a father now. I just can't do it. Literally, really cry me a river. It's just been, I just don't know. I've just been so lost, like. But anyway, we have got that wall where we wanted to be. We are a few courses off the top, which is good going actually, bearing in mind we've had some really harsh weather today. It's just been really boff showers. So we just had to cover, well, we had to cover the wall about 3 times today, but you know, it's all time and that's the thing, it all adds up, isn't it? But yes, tomorrow we've got, like I say, probably a good couple of hours sort of finishing the wall height, and then we can obviously bash out the top, and then we've got a few little sort of repairs and stuff to do. I think the repairs are only just sort of dry, like loose bits of stone and stuff, so we'll just sort of bang in some pegs, basically some thin bits of stone just to tighten all the joints up, because that section we're working on is pretty much all dry stone. There's been a few repairs and stuff, and some bits are pointed for some reason. So it's just a really mix and match wall. I think it's just trying to keep that wall up for as long as possible. But like I do say, hopefully in the future, it would be lovely to totally rebuild that stretch, because it's in such a beautiful location and it would just be such a stunning wall. It's got some really good stone in there, and especially as a proper true dry stone, that would be beautiful. But anyway, one thing at a time. And yeah, tomorrow, smash it out. We've got to do it, even if it is 10 foot of snow. We've got to get it done. There is no forecast of snow. We were supposed to get some, but nothing really happened. We probably had about an hour or 2 of snow. Probably about a millimetre stayed around for about half an hour. And then it went. But yeah, so it's quite warm. Like I say, it's been nice day to that actually. Like I say, it's been wet and windy, but if it wasn't windy, it'd actually be quite a sort of really mild daylight. So but anyway, I am gonna literally go have a shower, have some scran, and just get into bed, drink like 10 gallons of water, and just, yeah, play my violin and lay there. I just, yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for bearing with me. It's been a really hard day today. It's been very emotional. And let's crack on Tuesday. And let's get this little repair done. Love it. And then we are on to some lovely little banging jobs. Love it. Take care. See ya in a bit.